Alright, this is the explanation for the aces front routine. This is an old routine. It's from Alan Wakeling. This is a real gem. What you're going to do, get yourself a little glass like this. You have to buy 2 miniature decks of cards. Okay, you want the miniature deck to be able to fit obviously inside the glass. And you're going to have to make some double facers for this out of the miniature cards, and I'm going to show you what I've done here. This is your setup here. Okay, you have regular 9 of diamonds, okay, followed by double facer cards. I just took 2 miniature. You get 2 miniature decks, and you take out the cards to make this. So you have ace of hearts on one side, ace of diamonds on the other. You just take glue stick and you glue the mini cards together, and then I use a card clamp, or you can use 2 books to press them together flat. So there's your setup. You have regular 9 of diamonds, the ace of hearts and diamonds double facer with the ace of hearts face up. You make another miniature double facer with the 6 of spades and the 9 of diamonds. That goes 6 of spades face up. You make another double faced miniature card, ace of clubs and ace of spades. Put that there with the ace of clubs face up. Then you put a regular 6 of spades face down. So that's your setup right there. Okay, that goes right on top of the deck. All the rest miniature cards face up. You bring out the miniature cards, and when you be careful not to spread through them too far, because then they'll see your gaps in the back here. So when you spread through, just you can make a little fan cutting half the deck. You can show most of the cards front and back. You just don't want to show too far into your setup. So what you do is give the miniature deck a little Hindu. When you do the Hindu, make sure you don't disturb the top stock. So you give it a little Hindu. When you do the Hindu shuffle, you stop on a black card. Okay. Now this is obviously a backstage view, so I'm going to expose it like this. But you put the miniatures inside the cup, so the audience will be looking at that side. You'll be looking at this side. Then what you're going to do is use a handkerchief, show both sides. This handkerchief's a little too big, but it'll still work because the way I hold it, like this. And all you do is very, very simple. All you do is when you cover this, you're just going to spin the stem of the glass as soon as you cover. So here's the move. It's just really simple. You just spin it like that. And what that will do from the other side, as you saw in the trick already, is it will make the change. So you start off, you show the 6 of clubs. This will be shown to your audience. It will be out there. And you're going to pretend to move a card out of the middle, but you're actually going to take this back card here and put it onto the front. So the audience will see the 9 of diamonds. They're not going to see back here, okay, because they're out there. So what you do is when you cover, you're going to twist with your fingers, your left hand. You're just going to spin with the stem. It's going to spin it around. That's going to make the change happen. So now to the audience out there, they would see that it changed into the ace of diamonds. Now when you remove it, you're removing the double facer, they'll still see the 9 of diamonds behind it. So you want to call attention to that and say, see, look, the 9 of diamonds is still there. Okay, now from the back, you're going to take the double facer off the front, put it onto the back. So the audience is going to be looking at that 9 of diamonds there. You're going to come over with your silk. You're going to repeat the move. You're just going to twist the stem of the glass. Okay, whisk it away. That will show the audience out there. Change to the ace. Now, you're going to take that's a double facer right off the top, and you're going to just put it right into the middle of the deck. Just like that. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to pretend to move a card out of the middle. You can like raise one up as long as it's not the double facer you just put in. You know, but when you raise it up, you don't want to raise it too high so they can see which card it is. You just raise it up just barely, like you're fiddling with the cards. You're then going to take this double facer and put it, and you want to take it out very carefully. Obviously, you don't want to raise any other cards up. It looks like you're taking a card out of the middle and putting it on top, but you're actually taking the double face 9 of diamonds, the 6 of spades, and you're saying you're going to take out a black card and put it on the front, and this is going to attract the black ace. You have them name an ace. Most people will name the ace of spades because you have the black aces left. If they don't, then you just say we'll save the best for last and if they name the ace of clubs, you'll just say we'll save the best for last. You repeat the move. You come over, spin that around to the front. Whisk it away. Take off the double facer from the front of the deck, put it onto the back of the deck. Now the audience will be looking at the 6 of spades. You'll say the 6 of spades is still there. You then, for the final move, you come over, you whisk it away, don't do anything, whisk it away, don't do anything. Then you just spin the glass around and make the change. So enjoy that. That's the aces front.